Hello everybody, today we have LED strips. So this is a kit I found on Amazon, link down below. It has two multicolor LED strips, power supply, and some mounting equipment. And I thought about redoing my lighting on my desk, but it could be used for my car also. Not really sure yet. Anyways, let's just jump into this. So as you can see, we have double-sided tape along with some plastic mounting things and couple couplers for the LED strips. Now we have our power supply, which is a 12-volt 6-amp power supply. And then we have our controller, which is able to handle two strips at once. So that's quite nice, and that is a hellacious remote. If you need to do anything under the sun on the LED strip, pretty much looks like you can do it. Holy crap. And then we have the LED. Okay, sorry about that, my battery died. So, anyways, here are the LED strips. And as you can see, they are water resistant. They have been injection molded or something, so there's a rubber layer on top of the LED strip. Unlike, let me check these. I have another LED strip here to compare them to. Yeah. So this LED strip is not conformally coated in rubber thing, so I can touch right onto the LEDs, whereas these have a rubber thing over them. I don't know what to call it, but it's rubberized, so it is waterproof, I would guess, and it is lined with an adhesive double-sided tape on the back. So that's pretty nice. So I think I'm going to get the strips laid out on the floor and turn out the lights and show you what they look like. Okay, as you can see, we have the controller connected and the lights are laid out. So, how bright are they? Okay, Google, lights out. They are bright enough that they are illuminating this room in red. So, where did I put the remote? Damn it. Okay, found the remote. So now we're going to do blue. Nope, sorry, green. Focus, thank you. Blue, white. So that was supposed to be white, and it looks more cyan, but it is a mixture of all the colors. We're just going to go down the remote here through all the colors real fast. That one, ooh, that cyan is bright. That's like a purple. That's more like a white. So it doesn't really, I don't know, doesn't look too different. Anyways, we have a 1-hour timer, jump 3. Okay, so that's jump 7. Okay. quick, slow, auto, not really sure what that does, flash, ooh, okay, you can stop now, stop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew, okay. And then brightness, that's so full brightness, 1/4 brightness. So it's definitely a big difference. What else is there? I'm going to assume the timer is just, it turns itself off in an hour. V plus, what the hell is V plus? V minus? Those don't seem to do anything. Power off, power on button. So yeah, that works pretty good. There is definitely enough LEDs here to do my desk and probably a second one. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.